Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2026 Prevost HighClass Motorhome is expected to be the pinnacle of luxury and custom engineering in the recreational vehicle market. Building on Prevost's well-established track record of building strong and elegant bus chassis, the HighClass name suggests a higher degree of luxury and personalization, appealing to the most discriminating customers. The premium chassis from Prevost, which is well known for its longevity, smooth ride, and built-in stability, forms the basis of this outstanding motorhome. Unaffected by the rigors of prolonged travel, this sturdy base enables the construction of a roomy and cozy living space. The 2026 Prevost HighClass Motorhome's exterior is expected to have a sophisticated elegance with clean lines, large panoramic windows, and finely detailed accents. The design will surely exude a feeling of subtle grandeur while putting functionality first. It would be like entering an opulent penthouse suite when you stepped inside the 2026 Prevost HighClass Motorhome. The best materials from across the world would be used to carefully customize the interior to the owner's desires. Anticipate the seamless integration of exotic hardwoods, silky leathers, and custom fabrics to create an environment of unmatched luxury and comfort. With a master suite that rivals a five-star hotel, a gourmet kitchen with professional-grade appliances, a grand salon, and tastefully furnished bathrooms, the layout would be carefully planned to optimize living space. Integrating technology would be crucial for the 2026 Prevost HighClass Motorhome. Modern entertainment systems, smart home automation, and cutting-edge networking options would all be seamlessly integrated, offering delight and convenience. Advanced soundproofing would produce a peaceful internal atmosphere, and climate control systems would guarantee maximum comfort regardless of the outside weather. The Prevost chassis offers a strong and reliable base in terms of performance. The powertrain would be selected to provide efficient and smooth power, guaranteeing long-distance cruising without any problems. The combination of sophisticated suspension technologies and the chassis' natural stability would result in a very smooth and comfortable ride. Additionally, the term high-class implies a degree of customization and service that goes above and beyond the norm. Bespoke design consultations might let owners of the 2026 Prevost HighClass Motorhome create a genuinely one-of-a-kind mobile home that suits their own preferences and requirements. With this degree of personalization and Prevost's reputation for excellence and dependability, the 2026 HighClass Motorhome is positioned as the pinnacle of mobile luxury, a veritable rolling palace for individuals who want nothing less than the best.